Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Red Alert 2 run faster. First, ensure your graphics drivers are completely up to date. This often resolves many performance issues. Next, dive into the game's options menu and reduce the resolution and detail settings. Finally, close any programs running in the background, like web browsers or chat applications, to free up valuable system memory and processing power. These simple steps can make a big difference. To further enhance performance, try running Red Alert 2 in compatibility mode, specifically for Windows XP Service Pack 3. This can resolve many modern operating system conflicts. Additionally, configure the game's executable to utilize only one central processing unit core. This often prevents crashes and improves stability on multi-core systems. Disabling visual themes and desktop composition also helps by reducing system overhead. Community-made unofficial patches are essential for a smoother experience, as they often fix long-standing bugs and improve compatibility. Always ensure your game installation is clean and free from any corrupted files, which can cause slowdowns or crashes. For modern systems, consider implementing a custom renderer such as CNCD Draw. It significantly enhances graphical performance and resolves many display issues. For advanced users, increasing your system's virtual memory size can help if you have less than 8 GB of physical random access memory. Also, always maintain at least 15 GB of free space on your hard drive for optimal game performance. Ultimately, upgrading older hardware components, such as your graphics card or system memory, will provide the most significant and lasting performance improvements for Red Alert 2.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.